Hello everyone, today in this video we'll talk about University of Geneva Excellence Masters Scholarship. As we can see here, this scholarship is for master's degree. So if you are seeking for PhD degree, I think this video is not for you, so you can skip that. But if you are looking for master's scholarship, then let's start. The deadline for that scholarship is 28th February 2024, and University of Geneva is in Switzerland, so you will be in Switzerland if you are successful in achieving that scholarship. In brief descriptions, we can see that the Faculty of Science of the University of Geneva, in collaboration with several sponsors, has established an excellence fellowship program to support outstanding and highly motivated candidates who intend to pursue the master's science in any of the disciplines covered by the faculty. Host institutions will be University of Geneva in Switzerland. Level and fields of study. So you can take a look here about level and fields of study. I'll take you to take a look here. And number of awards are not specified. Target groups will be all students, including international students. So the coverage of the scholarship and the duration, the value of the scholarship will be CHF 10,000 to 15,000 per year. It is awarded for 1 year and extended for the regular duration of the master's program, 3 or 4 semesters, provided by the applicant in academically successful at the end of his/her first semester of studies. Eligibility will be regardless of your home university, whether you have passed on doing a brilliant bachelor's degree and that you are one of the best in your year. This program is for you. You must meet the admission criteria of the masters of your choice and be selected on the basis of application file for excellence scholarship. Application instruction. The next application round will be open in January 24, and for the application to be considered, each student has to fill the enrollment procedure as described. I'll take you to there on their website. Okay, stay with me. The application is made online from the beginning of January. After regist registering, you will receive an email, and yeah, you need to submit the application before 28th February 2024. It is important to visit the official website to access the application form. So I'll take you to official website and also to the programs. So in their website we can see here basic studies master of science, and yeah, masters of science internationally top ranked faculty of science. And you can take a look here more some important information. A French exam is not required to follow the master's program at the faculty of science. And admission criteria, you can also take a look. Academic advisor, tuition fellowship. As you can see here, the deadline is 28th February 2024, and enrollment of the Geneva and general information. You can also take a look here in which fields you can do your masters here, master's degree, and then astrophysics, biochemistry, biology, and earth sciences, mathematics. So these are the fields in which you can do your master's degree. Yeah, and now we'll go to here. You can search like in which semester you want to apply, and then you can search for master's degree you want to apply, and here you can search one field like for example science, and then your nationality, and then bachelor's degree and others, and validate. So after that, so these are the conditions. Now you have validated, and here you need to see the conditions. which conditions you need to follow to be admitted at University of Geneva, and specific procedure you can take a look here, deadlines and documents. So 2 copies of enrollment form, 2 passport photos, and yeah, these documents you need to provide during your admission application. And now we'll take a look here how you can submit your application. So yeah, you can take a look here. You also need to, here you can see the documents, generally the documents which they need: the nationality, CV, transcript, motivation letter. And they say that additional information, you can also go here and take a look. So here we can take a look like how you can apply. So if you are applying for a master's degree, you can select here. For bachelor's degree here, and for master's degree you need to select that application form. Similarly, doctoral program, and after you'll go there, you can take a look here, and then here you can see register and then submit your application. And if you will have any question related to that application procedure, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll respond to your queries. And if you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching the video, and yeah, take care and bye bye.